Got a bit of land? You know mowing's not a quick job. The Baumr-AG 380 RX side discharge with mulcher is a 38-inch ride-on mower built for Aussie properties that need real mowing capability and a faster, cleaner way through the job. With a powerful 14 horsepower Ducar engine, you get a clean, consistent finish, even in thicker grass. With speeds up to 9 kilometres per hour and up to 3 hours of run time per tank, you get the job done faster with fewer interruptions. And with a hydrostatic transmission, you get smooth, controlled performance and easy handling around trees, edges and garden beds. 7 cutting height positions down to 30 millimetres let you dial in the finish to suit the conditions. Dual high lift blades deliver a clean, consistent cut, while the side discharge keeps clippings flowing so you can keep moving without stopping. And unlike a lot of other mowers out there, this one comes with a side chute and mulch kit included, saving you a few $100s up front. When you're done, the deck wash port makes cleanup quick and easy. And with towing capacity up to 100 kilos, it's more than just a mower. So instead of stopping every few minutes to empty clippings, you keep moving and get the job done faster. The Baumr-AG 380 RX side discharge with mulcher